So if we don't have the connection with the legs, it will be difficult for her to understand what I want.
In this video, we are going to show you how to do a body wave in the 3 most common positions in Bachata Sensual. Let's go!
Ya no tiene excusa, hoy salió con su amiga, dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa, se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta.
Okay guys, so for the first one, we are of course in the closed position first, and in this case the leader is only going to lead the body wave, so we're not doing a body wave, only the follower is doing a body wave. Let's go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8 we prepare the body of the follower by bringing her back a little bit to the back. And now leaders, we do in 1 a step backwards, and the follower is doing her step forward, and we are breathing in 1, 2, and now we release the body of the follower and make her sit down in 3, tap. At the same time, for us leaders, we are going to sit in the opposite direction. That means that when we are tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, tap. So my whole weight is on my left leg. And now that we are here, we have our hand, which comes to the lower back and in the bones of her hips. And from this, we are going to lead the reverse body wave by doing a small pendulum first in 5, 6, and now we come together with her in 7, 8. We both tap, and we go into the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap. So a little bit more fluently from this point of view, we go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap. So leaders, make sure that you are leading with your elbows. So guys, we are not leading like this with our hands. The whole leading of the body waves come from the elbows. We have our frame like this with the follower. We do the step backwards in 1, 2, bring the elbows up, and now the elbows go down diagonally, and that's how she knows that she needs to do a body wave.
Amiga dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa, se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta, llorando lo comienza a llamar, pero él la dejó en buzón, será porque con otra está, pidiendo que a otra se puede amar, pero dice toda
So for this body wave, we are in the shadow position. This is the shadow position. If you don't know how to get into the shadow position, make sure to check out this other video. Let's go in the basic first. We don't have any connection between us, only the hand here, and also this hand and the arm connection here, which is very important in the shadow position. So when we are here, we're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 7, 8, I come to the follower and I look for connection. So guys, we are not separate, and then I bring the lady to me, but I come to her and I keep this connection so that she doesn't go to that side. So we go tap, 5, 6, connection, and now guys, we do a step forward. We have connection here with our chest and her shoulder, and also with our hips, but it's not as mandatory as this connection. And now we breathe in and we go 1. So legs straight. Breathe in, up, 1, 2, 3, tap, and we sit. Now that we're both sitting and the whole weight is in our right leg, we do that reverse body wave. So we do a pendulum with our hips in 5, and now slowly 6, change the weight in 7, and tap on 8, and basic 1, 2, 3, tap. And lastly, from this position, go in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very important, guys. The shadow position, we are not here. We don't have this, the whole connection. We, the leaders, we are in this case doing a step to the left side, and we have the connection with our right side and her left side. So this is the correct shadow position, and this one. So guys, if this video is bringing you value, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you want feedback from your dance from us, or if you also want to learn more directly one-on-one with us, make sure to check out our Patreon in the link down below. But now, let's continue.
Ya no tiene excusa, hoy salió con su amiga, dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa, se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, ya no se le ve sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora, no, pero si le ponen la canción, le da una depresión tonta, llorando lo comienza a llamar.
And the third one is also a little bit tricky because we are now in the pretzel position. So 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from the pretzel position, we are diagonally 90 degrees to the follower. So for her to do a body wave, we need to do a side wave, or at least change our weight from one side to the other. So we do a side wave, and at the same time, we are leading the body wave. So we go 1, and we breathe in, of course, in 2. 1 and 2 is the breathing in part, and now we sit in 3, tap. And now that we are sitting, I'm sitting on my right leg, and for her, it's her left leg. And from here, we do the reverse one. So we do a pendulum as well, a little bit with our hips in 5. And then we start going up in 6. We have our whole weight in the front. And now we change the weight to the back in 7, 8. We close, and we continue dancing. So more fluently from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, connection, and 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic, 2, 3, tap. A few tips that you should always do is that you need to have the connection here with your partner, because we don't want to only lead with our arms. This is not correct. This is not bachata. The leaders are also dancing, so we have the connection with our shoulders and our chest. And from here is where we can do the leading, and we have, of course, here a good connection and a good tension between us. And of course, guys, when we are sitting, so now that we are here, we have the connection here with the leg, because with the leg is how we can lead with our hips. So if we don't have the connection with the legs, it will be difficult for her to understand what I want.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and watch our other videos. They will help you to improve your dance as well. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time.
Bye.